Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. This website pay you this 2 cryptocurrency right now available. You can withdraw from this website have a much more ways so you can easily earn. First of all, register yourself, put your username, email, password and confirm password and click register. You can easily register yourself, and I put my email and my password. I just click login to log in myself to show you how you can earn from here. First of all, you make an account, and this will be send you a confirmation to your email. After that, you can confirm it and easily make a free earning from here. The first way earning is a faucet. You can easily claim faucet, and you can easily make amount. First of all, solve this little capture. It's a airplane. Just click airplane available in here and just click claim, and you can see 2 point I claim from the faucet. Okay, the next way is a shortlinks. You can complete the shortlinks and you can easily make an account, make an amount from the completing shortlinks. This is all available shortlinks. You can make points. The next way is a daily bonus. Daily bonus, you have one time daily bonus this much points, and you can click claim and you can easily claim this daily bonus. Okay, and first of all, claim 4 times faucet. You can activate daily bonus, and this is the all daily bonus available in here. The next way is a PTC hats. You can watch the PTC hats. First of all, one PTC hats available in this website, because this website is a little bit new website, not much more way in days ago website, and you can easily watch an advertisement and you can earn your free cryptocurrency just watching advertisement. Okay, the next way is a ladder board. You can just click at a ladder board and you can use a contest, and you can be a winner in this ladder board. You can see this person make this much referral, and this is this much points this will be get, and just referral contest in here. The next way is a users. You can make your own PTC ads in here, and you can easily make your own PTC ads. Right now I have 2 points. Okay, if you want to withdraw, okay, in here, congratulations, you reached the minimum amount of the points for withdrawal. Okay, you can reach it to amount, you can easily withdraw. And in here I see where is the withdrawal. This is the withdrawal. I just click, and 2 point, you can amount of the withdrawal, just click 2, and your faucetpay email address. You can put your faucetpay email address in here, and you can easily choose your cryptocurrency and just click request for withdrawal. Okay, this will be pay you instantly, but I didn't withdraw. Okay, the processing payment under 20 points automatically. Okay, if you have 200 points, this will be pay you automatically. You can still request 5 withdrawal per day. Okay, every day you can request 5 withdraw, and you can see 2 points send you to your faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to show you how much Litecoin for the 2 points this website pay you. Okay, now you can see this much Litecoin this website pay me. Just I claim 1 time faucet. Okay, if you complete all the short links, you can easily make much more amount from this website. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and bye bye for now.